Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after taking support around 3000 area, gold is comfortably trading above 3000. Right now trading around 3015. So hopefully you guys made some good profit when market came to the support and bounced yesterday. I also made some good money, but okay, I had a little accident yesterday. Not physically, but in trading. I was bored. Okay, I was bored. I was just watching the chart and okay, I took an impulsive trade around 3021 and market was slow and suddenly there was a big candle here. Okay, and I was stuck in a bad position. And my dear friends, emotions can be dangerous. Yes, I have been trading for a long time, 12 years, but still, okay, I'm facing these challenges. Okay, can't help. Okay. Anyways, after exiting from this bad buy position, okay, finally, okay, I got some recovery around this support area. So please be careful of the trader's itch. We all suffer from trader's itch and it is very hard to control. I can understand. Okay, you guys won't believe I maintain a separate account for this experimentation and for the trader's itch. For my bread and butter, okay, I maintain a separate account. But you guys, okay, most of you, okay, only have a single account, I know, but be careful. Okay, be careful. Always stick to the plan, always stick to the levels, because if you compromise with the trading discipline, okay, then market will not spare you. Okay, so my dear friends, we can see that after taking support around 3000 area, gold is right now trying to go up again. So there are few things that we need to focus here. So listen to me carefully. I will explain one by one. Okay. So first of all, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold inches lower as Trump eases tariff threats. Fed cautious on rate cut. Gold slips as Trump eases tariff threats. Fed shows caution over rate cut. So my dear friend, the gold shine is slowly fading. Slowly, okay, slowly we can see that the safe haven demand of gold is going away. So it can also bring gold towards the downside, or the second possibility is that gold may stay sideways. Usually in such a scenario, okay, we see market going down, okay, in ideal scenario. But if we look at the contracts data here, we can see we still have the highest contracts at 3000 area. Okay, and there is an addition of contracts. So 3000, okay, this 3000 area is not going to surrender that easily. If another news comes out and if you see market going below 3000 with a big red candle, okay, then you can expect that finally the support of 3000 is gone. But if market stays like this, then it will be difficult for the market to break the support. Okay, so 3000, okay, already buyers around 3000 are not going to surrender that easily. But yes, we can see that the gold shine is slowly fading. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, how does the market react on 2nd April? But as of now, okay, let's stick to the plan. Okay, do not trade like me. So this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and there is no doubt that the overall chart of gold is not only bullish, it's super bullish. But gold was standing at a record high, so obviously buying around this particular portion of the market is not very good, okay, or it's not a wise decision. So it's always better to buy at retracement. So if gold falls also, okay, because of losing shine, if gold falls also, I think we can expect some support around 2950, or 2950 is the next best support on the chart of gold. And if gold breaks 3000 level, we can expect gold to come to 2950. But the thing is that market is taking support around 3000 area. So um, let's not discuss about 2950 and waste time. But if we see market coming down, okay, if we see market coming down with small candles like this, then the support levels that we discussed in a previous video are still very much valid. For example, during the day, if you see gold going down, then the support around 2992 to 2990, where the previous resistance will be working as support, okay, is still very much valid. Then we discussed another support around 2982 to 2977 on Saturday, okay, because of market taking support around this area previously. This support is still very much valid. Okay, until and unless you see the market is falling sharply with big red candles. Okay, these are the levels where still you can look for a buy position as a day trader. As a swing trader, position trader, still this is not the right time. You need market to come below 3000 level. You need to come, you need to wait for the market to come around 2950, 2960. That will be a better price. That will be a discounted price where you can enter. But as of now, it's still not the right time. So as a day traders, you can look for a bounce around these areas if you see market taking support. The size of the candle will matter. Okay, for example, if you see a size, if you see a candle like this, okay, candle like this around 3000 area, then these levels will not work. Means the volume is very high. Okay, then we also discuss another level around 2970, 297, not yeah, 2970, 2971 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. This is still a valid support. So around 2970, 2982, 77 areas, we can look for a bounce of 80 to 100 pips easily. Clear. So these are the levels where we can look for a buy position if market comes down. Okay, if market comes down with normal candles like this. But in case, okay, in case market forms a big red candle around 3000 area, then obviously this will not work. Okay, then if you want, you can sit on a sell as well. Why? Because we have seen the market sentiment, the safe haven of gold is slowly fading away. So there is a possibility that market may break. Because at this moment, if we look at the market structure is not positive. Market, okay, see, market was under a technical correction. Market, it was a temporary thing, but it may continue now. Okay, the only support is the contracts at 3000 area. They are not surrendering. So once the contracts, okay, will reduce, okay, you will see market easily going below 3000 level. Okay, so the contracts at 3000 are the only hopes right now. So if you are stuck on a buy position, please be careful. Okay, please be careful. If you're a buyer and if you're thinking then, Vilash, okay, market is no longer forming lower low. Yes, market is no longer forming lower low, but if market forms a lower high, okay, if market forms a lower high, then things can be dangerous for buyers. Okay, for the market to be sideways, we need gold to break 3035 for the day. If you see gold breaking 3035, then you can expect the market to remain sideways for the next few days. But otherwise, market may show some further correction. Personally, okay, I feel that there is a possibility of market being sideways or market staying inside this range for some time. Okay, personally, I feel that. Okay. And if you are a scalper, risky scalper, if risk is your middle name, then you can look for a sell around 30, okay, 3021 and 3025, 3027. These are the two levels where you can look for a quick sell of 35 pips. Okay, if you see market struggling and market coming down, okay, during the US session, they may not work because these are risky levels. But if you love to scalp, then you can look for these opportunities. Okay, and we are considering, okay, these areas. Okay, I think yeah, I was using FIBO here because of FIBO 61.8% retracement from this particular high of the market, and we are considering 3025, 3027 because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level along with that previous price rejection around this area. Okay, so these are the risky sell opportunities, and above this, okay, I do not recommend any position buy or sell right now, because if market breaks this particular area, we may see this market being sideways, and possibility of a breakout is low right now, because right now I don't see any factor, okay, that will make gold to break 3057, 3058. So there is a high chance that market will remain sideways, and if a sudden selling comes, then we may see gold going towards 2950. If market goes down to 2950 with small candles like this, then we can look for bounce around these two support areas. If the size of the candle is like this, then forget about buying. Okay, that's it. And be careful right now because okay, things may change. And if you have any ongoing position, please use proper stop loss. We always focus on entry, but exit is equally important. Sometimes I feel exit is much more important because because of not exiting at the right time, we get stuck in positions, okay, that sometimes wipe our account as well, isn't it? And my dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support specially designed for those people who have learned all the basics, who have applied all the concepts but still not profitable. Means specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Okay. This is my last workshop because after this I will be mostly teaching the beginners because I receive a lot of requests, okay, for the beginners. So I think it's better to teach the beginners because they need more guidance and assistance. So in this 7 days workshop, at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. I have stretched this for over a period of 1 month so that you can understand and execute at the same time, because if we learn everything at once, we forget. At first there will be Hindi classes, okay, from 4th of April, and English classes are starting from 11th of April. You can join now also, okay. You'll be receiving free market updates, analysis on our WhatsApp community. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. You can see that I have carefully chosen these topics, and these are not some fancy topics like Elliott Waves or SMC. We will try to understand the market as it is, okay, because understanding the market is important. And you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklists, a lot size calculator, and trading plan. If you are a resident of India, then you will be having, or we will be having, a special session how to trade from India, because there are lots of legal complications, and you will be added to our WhatsApp community as well. Let me show you how does it look like. So this is our WhatsApp community. You can see that, okay, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market, because most of the time we get confused on how to trade during the day. Okay, I update regularly so that you don't get confused. Today, okay, those who are thinking that, okay, what is the urgent notice? Okay, there are lots of issues going on, okay, for the Indian traders regarding deposit and withdrawals. Okay, so this is something I posted today. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend also, no need to worry, I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. And if you're looking for mentorship guidance, because trading takes time, okay, it takes couple of months and sometimes couple of years. You can also go with the semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual support, you'll be part of the community WhatsApp group for 6 months, and you'll also receive 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts and ask questions. In lifetime support, you will be part of the group forever. Plus, you will be receiving 6 personal sessions with me so that you can clear your doubts or ask questions if required. And these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.